guys, welcome back to another video. Today I am going to be doing burping contest number 2.
His first iPhone.
Whatever.
I'll go second.
That's horrible.
On the way.
Hold on. This is gonna be a weak one. I can.
I have the second one now. No, I was second. No, because I have.
Oh yeah, I'm here with the YouTubers from Carrie.
Hurry up, go. Carry on to one.
Carrie Steele.
No, it's hurry on.
Oh my God, you're stupid.
Fuck. Your turn to freaking go.
Oh yeah, the dude who didn't expect.
I won that run. I had the one.
You had the longest, but not the loudest. We're going off with the loudest.
God dang it.
Okay, so hold on. Before we go to round 3, the guy who said that was unexpected from me, send me a video clip or what the name of the video is for your burp contest. I'm pretty sure you can't burp louder than this. Unless it's that. No, that's like an instant win for me.
But I might be hurt.
Loudest and the longest for me.
No, mine was loud.
So, guys, leave in the comment section down below, who do you think did the loudest and the longest? Me, Stas, or Blood Lab Lover, or Carrie Steele William Keeper? Frick? So you could just say the you can say Carrie Steele or Stas Lover for Blood Lab Lover. Leave down in the comment section below. Say round 3, and then whoever you think won that round. Alright, on to round 4. I won. That sounded like a fart from Dylan. You said it.
I have diarrhea.
I can smell.
The chicken house, they also make me have diarrhea.
Oh, well then you shouldn't eat that anymore.
Okay, I'm gonna go for round 5.
Alright, this is round 5, guys. Should we go to round 7 or 10?
No, I need 5.
No, 7 or 10? 10? 7 or 10? Alright, we're going on to round 7. We're on round 6 right now. I like your finishing move.
Yeah, I know. My turn to go.
You're in luck. I ran out of Coke. That sucks. See, even without Coke this round, still won. Alright. Cover your ears. I feel so sorry for... I'm so sorry, headphone users. R.I.P. headphone users. Oh yeah, the podcast is over. headphone users.